In this video, I will show you how to create animated cartoon YouTube videos just in few minutes, like this one. I just made this one. Let's check this one.
Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome to Number Nook with Professor ThinkSmart. Today, we're going to have a blast exploring the magical world of numbers up to 5. Are you ready for the adventure?
So, are you ready to make like those videos? They are really super easy to make and simple. Just follow those steps and let's get started, okay? So I did some research and I found this big kids YouTube channel that is making a lot of videos over here, and that has million of views, 68 million subscribers. As you can see, if you click on view channel state, as you can see over here, you can see that this channel got 536 million views in the last 13 days. Okay, as you can see, that's really a lot of million of views, guys, as you can see, and they uploaded just 23 video. Okay, and as you can see, those videos getting billion, even billion of views. Look at this one, 5 billion of views. This one, 2 billion of views. This one over here. Okay, and those videos are really super easy to make. Okay, look at this one, for example, teaching kids numbers, as you can see over here. Okay, 362 million views, still getting views. This mean view per hour, so this video is still getting 23k view per hour and still making money. So this channel is making really a lot of money because those videos getting a million of views, as you can see. Okay, so to make like those videos, they are really super easy and simple. What you need to do, so first you need to go to ChatGPT, sign up to ChatGPT, create your account. It's for free. You can use the free version. I'm just using free version. Then you need to ask ChatGPT over here. You can copy this if you want, or you can use your own. I asked him, imagine yourself as a teacher teaching kids at school to count up to 5. Make it easy and funny. Okay, click over here and ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script. As you can see, what you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. As you can see, here you go. Let's start with the number 1. Imagine, as you can see, it's really nice and good. Okay, what you will do, you need to copy this. Okay, and I'm gonna copy just this part to show you guys, then we will copy the second part. So what you need to do, you need to turn this script into voiceover. Go to Google, search for Play HT, click on the first link over here. Okay, this is an AI voiceover generator website that you can sign up to just by using your email address, and it's for free. Of course, you can use it for free. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Play HT. So what you will do, click over here on change voice, and as you can see, they have a lot of different voiceovers. British voiceover, Australian voiceover, American voiceover, Canadian voiceover. Choose which one you want. They have different. I'm gonna choose this one. Michelle, click on your voiceover, scroll down, click on confirm, put your YouTube script here. Okay, let's put this script. Let's go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna copy just this part, guys. Let's add this one. I don't want to make the video too much long for you, so let's add just this one over here and click over here on generate speech, and your voiceover will be recorded. So what you need to do next is I'm going to show you now the great website that will turn this voiceover into cartoon YouTube video. Okay, so let me show you how you can do it. So you just need to wait a few seconds for this voiceover to be recorded. Then you will download this voiceover to your laptop. Here you go. Let's check.
Start with the number 1. Imagine it's a lonely little ant all by itself. Can you make a tiny ant crawling with your fingers? Great job. That's our first number, one little ant. Now, let's invite a friend for our ant. Here comes number 2. Picture 2.
As you can see, it's a really great and amazing quality voiceover. Click over here and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you need to do next is you need to go to Google and search for Adobe Express. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link over here. As you can see, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free, of course. So after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So just come to this page and scroll down. You can see over here an image from audio. Click on this, and now we will choose our cartoon character. Okay, then the background, and we will add the voiceover, as you can see. Then what you need to do now, so first click over here on the size, make sure it's on YouTube, okay, because they have different sizes over here. They have the size for Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, so choose YouTube. Then click over here on character, okay, click on character, choose which character you want to use, okay. So let's scroll down. There are a lot of characters here, as you can see. You can use anyone you want, just click on your character. So let's say you want to use this one. I'm gonna use this one. I will click over here and will make it like this. Then click over here on background and scroll down and choose which background you want to use, okay. As you can see, they have different backgrounds over here. So for me, if you don't like one of those backgrounds and you want to use your own background, you can click over here on upload image, okay. I will click on upload image. So for me, I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on open. This is my background, and here you go, your background will be over here. So let's make this one, gonna make it a little small like this, okay. So what you need to do next, here you go, as you can see, I choose this character background. You can find the background on Canva. I did it for this background, I found this on Canva. You can go to Canva, search for cartoon background, and you can find like this one, okay. What you need to do next is you need to click over here on browse, okay. Click on browse, and you need to upload your voiceover, okay. This is my voiceover.
Start with the number 1.
Click on open, and your voiceover will be uploaded to this account. You just need to wait a few seconds, and your amazing video will be ready. So I will get back to you guys when this will be done. It will take sometimes can take up to 1 minute, so I will get back to you very soon. And here you go, guys, your video will be ready, okay. So let's check the video now.
Start with the number 1. Imagine it's a lonely little ant all by itself. Can you make a tiny ant crawling with your fingers? Great job. That's our first number, 1 little ant. Now, let's invite a friend for our ant. Here comes number 2. Picture 2 ants having a little ant party. Wiggle 2 fingers for 2 ants.
That's really amazing, guys. Let me know in the comments what's your opinion about this. This website is really amazing, and it's easy to make the videos. They help you make those cartoon videos very fast and just in few minutes, easy and simple, okay, as you can see. And it's moving, it's really great website, okay. So after you finish, you can click over here on download, and this video will be download to your laptop, okay. So what you need to do next is you need to go to Canva, okay, because we will still edit this video, okay. So to make the numbers over here to pop in the front, okay. So what you will do, you will go to Canva and you will sign up to Canva. It's for free, of course, and you can use it for free. Sign up just by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video, okay. You will be directly in this page over here. So I already upload this animated video that I created, this cartoon video. You can click over here on upload, click over here on upload file, and upload your video, okay. So just choose your video, click on open, and your video will be uploaded to Canva, okay. So let's edit the video now. So let me see.
Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome.
Okay, so I'm gonna click on this part, split page. Okay, then go to the first page and click over here on elements. So the voiceover is saying hello in the first. I'm gonna click on elements and I will search for hello character or sticker. I'm gonna search for hello, click over here on graphics. So to choose, I'm gonna choose for example this one. Click on this and it will be over here in the front of your video. Make it small like this, okay. So let me see, let's check it now.
Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome to the number Nook with Professor.
Okay, I will click again over here and I will split page. Let me see here. It's really easy and simple. So let me see to edit this video and make it more engaging and professional.
Number Nook.
Okay, I will search for number. Search for numbers. For example, click on graphics. Scroll down. So just keep scrolling down. Let's see if we can find some animated numbers here. Okay. I'm gonna choose for example this one. So just click on the sticker, it will be over here, click, make it like this, keep clicking, and this one here, click over here on animate, scroll down, and choose this add motion effect, click on, you can choose anyone, you can choose this, you can choose this one, I'm gonna choose this one, and they will make it like slow down, like this, okay? Let's see now.
Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome to the number Nook with Professor. Think smart. Today, we're going to have a block.
As you can see, it's really easy and simple, guys, okay?
Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome to number Nook with Professor. Think smart. Today.
Okay, I can click over here and I can click on split page and I will click on this page, okay, like this. I can click on text, okay, and I can put my name here, okay. For example, I will choose this one, choose the title, different titles, the style of titles that you want to use. You will click on this one, you will delete this, okay, make it small, double click. I'm gonna name it think smart, make it, okay, make it like this, and I will move it to the front here. I will change the color, click over here on color, text color. So I'm gonna choose, for example, let's choose white, and I will click on effect, outline. I'm gonna add outline over here. I will click on color and I will choose the black color. Then I'm gonna make this one like this. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna click over here again on animate. And choose your animation here. Okay, they have different animation. I'm gonna choose this one for example. So let's check now. It should be really an amazing YouTube video now.
Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome to the number Nook with Professor. Think smart. Today, we're going to have a blast exploring the magic.
And you can keep using this method. If this, use any stickers that the voiceover, if the voiceover say numbers, keep search, click on elements, search for numbers, split the parts when he said, for example, numbers, and add numbers to your front, add stickers numbers to the front, make them animated. Okay, and it's easy and simple. Just use this method. After you finish, click on share, then click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Okay, so that's how you can make animated cartoon YouTube videos just by using ChatGPT and Express Adobe, okay, and Play HD voiceover. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.